A declined Dave card doesn't always mean your account has a problem. In many cases, the transaction is blocked because of a payment issue, account setting, or merchant restriction that can be identified. By the end of this, you'll know the most common reasons a Dave card is declined, and the steps you can take before contacting support. Start by checking your available balance in the Dave app. A purchase can be declined if there isn't enough money available to cover the transaction, or if recent deposits haven't fully updated in your account. Next, confirm that your Dave card is active. If you've recently received a replacement card, make sure you've activated the new one before trying another purchase. Open the app and verify that your card isn't locked. A locked card can't approve new transactions until it's unlocked in your account settings. Also check that the merchant accepts the type of card you're using. Some businesses place restrictions on certain payment methods, which can result in a declined transaction even when your account is working normally. If you're shopping online, double-check the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information. A single incorrect detail is enough to cause the payment to fail. Keep the Dave app updated through your device's app store. Running the latest version helps ensure your account information and card settings stay synchronized. If you've recently changed your phone number, address, or other account details, update them inside the app. Accurate account information helps prevent verification issues during transactions. If the purchase was unusually large or different from your normal spending pattern, the payment may require additional review. Trying the purchase again after confirming your account details may resolve the issue. Avoid making repeated payment attempts within a short period if every transaction is being declined. Multiple failed attempts won't fix the underlying problem and can make troubleshooting more difficult. If your card works at one merchant but not another, the issue is more likely related to that specific business than to your Dave account. If every purchase continues to fail after you've checked your balance, card status, and account information, contact Dave support. Provide the merchant name, transaction amount, date, and any error message shown in the app. Those details help the support team investigate the decline more efficiently. To sum it up, confirm your available balance, make sure your card is active and unlocked, verify your payment information, and contact support if the problem continues. Next, open the Dave app now and check your card status before attempting another purchase. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Dave app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.